Oh my gosh. Girl's reaction to that. Hello everyone, today I am reacting to the Apothecary Diaries episode 2. Okay, the first episode was a lot of fun. I like Momo as a character and Jinshi, oh my gosh, that dude. He is fine. He is so fine. You know what? One thing I really love about this anime is you have this really pretty dude like Jinshi, and Momo just like does not care, okay? Like you have those girls that fawn over him. I love that she's like not interested, because to me, I feel like with romance stories, which I'm hoping, again, I don't really know and I don't want to look it up because I don't want to be spoiled. You know, when you have this girl and she's not really interested and slowly there's something building there, that's what I'm hoping. But the first episode was a lot of fun and they all fall down, man. She's just gonna come in here like a detective and be like, huh. So okay. I think the show is going to play out like I think it. Be like, what? To be honest, the vibes that she gives off, dude. Okay, settle down there. I mean, let's go. But dude was flat out like, I'm gonna seduce her. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Girl's reaction to that. She got the tinglies. Oh my gosh. She's the type of character, like, to me, I feel like I would crumble. If he touched me like that, I would crumble. I would be melted down to the floor. She's just like, ew. I love her for that. Be fun to see how this goes. Oh, the baby. I love the energy in here. They seem very nice. Ooh. What's up with their sad faces? What? Oh, is it because they are like, oh no, girl is just kidnapped, okay? I mean, not just kidnapped. Oh man, they make it seem so, well, it was bad that she was kidnapped, but like, damn, her home life seemed pretty okay. Dude, that is a nice room. And she's gonna be flirting with her, like, girl, you have it. Hey, at least they weren't like bitchy. That's so messed up. What a task though, to like test out things if they're poisoned. Little ears. Wow. Okay. Wow, girl. I love the acting. Nice. I love how they're willing to like work with her. Yeah, girl. Let's get it. They're so nice. Like, what the hell? Are they? Wow. They're just never gonna have her do anything. Okay. She's so repulsed. I love it. Yummy. Bao buns. I love bao buns. Whoa. Damn. Just by smelling. I was wondering when we were getting back to that. Why I feel like it's not, and it was just... Was it because of a plant? Girls just ate it. She's so intelligent. Girl. Oh gosh, what are you gonna do now? She's like, she's so happy. Oh, she is living for this. Damn. Oh my gosh. Dude, I love how he took that. I love how he remembered that she said that. He freaking just locked himself in that room. I really love the effect that she has on him. These character dynamics are my favorite, I swear. Girls in heaven. Holy shit! What? Go. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen there? The grab? Oh my gosh. Oh, what the? Oh, did they eat the? Oh no! Hey, she didn't. Oh my gosh. Girl just made them horny chocolate. Now do it. Do it. I love that little vision of him. No, I totally wish he was. She did not just say that. Oh my gosh. The showman. I don't know why that gave me a weird feeling. Whoa. Oh. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Oh my gosh. Dude, stop it. Oh man, this guy is killing me. Oh, whoa. What the fuck? What the fuck? Dude, the way he was breathing on her neck, man. Yep, I'm folding there. Girl, your willpower is insane. But you know, you look better in his eyes that it's not affecting you, okay? Because every single girl reacts the same way and you don't, so you know what? Good for you. The thing is, I can totally see how he's so interested in her. I mean, would you be interested in someone that gives you the same reaction that like everyone in your life gives you? Or, you know, someone different? Again, if this turns into something, I am all here for it, okay? And you know what? I love how the other serving girls are really nice to her. I was expecting her to go in there and like there would be jealousy but they're accepting of her. And it's really sweet how they want her to be as comfortable as possible. And I don't know, I just love the energy overall. But episode 1 was really good. Episode 2, I really loved. So I think I am really going to enjoy this series, okay? And Momo, like, you gotta love her character. You gotta love her vibes, her energy. Jinshi, he is adorable. He is cute. He's very handsome. I don't know, I just love how he's getting like...
ご視聴いただきありがとうございます。今回は薬屋の独り言の1話に対する海外の反応を翻訳しました。2話は原作の要素を程よくアニメ向けにアレンジしながら、テンポよく進むミステリー部分とマオマオのユニークな性格がしっかり描かれていて見応えがありました。医術や毒などの専門知識がスパイスになり、宮廷独特の緊張感とコミカルな雰囲気が絶妙に融合しているのが魅力だと感じています。ここから綿の海外の方の反応やレビューを紹介します。ストーリーが謎めいてとても惹かれたよ。マオマオのクールさが最高に可愛いね。上級妃の雰囲気がゴージャスで憧れるよ。
ちょっと展開が遅いと感じたんだ。
ビジュアルが華やかすぎて目が離せない。やっぱりこのアニメはミステリーとラブコメのバランスが絶妙だと思うよ。次回が待ち遠しくなるんだ。本当にドキドキする。マオマオの頭の回転が速いところが魅力的だと思うんだ。小さな仕草でも表情が豊かで見逃せない瞬間が満載だよね。宮廷の華やかな背景とキャラクターの毒舌がミックスされてるのが超面白いよ。字幕を追いかけながら笑いっぱなしだ。
キャラクター同士の掛け合いはいいけど、話が複雑になりすぎて正直分かりにくい部分があるんだ。そこは残念かな。
漢方薬の描写がリアルで海外でも興味をそそられる要素になってると思うんだ。歴史のディテールが深いね。堪能できるよ。エンディング曲が耳に残るメロディで何度もリピートしちゃいそうなほど気に入ったよ。映像との相性もバッチリ。マオマオの観察眼と推理力がどんどん光ってきて見ているこっちも謎解きに参加してる気分になるのがたまらないよ。恋愛模様が進行するかと思いきやいきなり宮廷の闇が深まったりする展開も最高だね。アニメならではの鮮やかな色彩が世界観をさらに盛り上げてくれるのもポイントだと思うんだ。作品全体に流れる独特のコメディセンスがツボで真面目な事件が起きていても時々引き出しちゃうんだよね。毒舌キャラと優しいキャラの掛け合いが絶妙だから次はどんなエピソードが飛び出すのか予想できなくてずっと興味が尽きないよ。特にマオマオのリアクションは毎回新鮮で癖になる。
作画は美しいけれど原作を知っている身としてはカットされたシーンが多く感じるね。特に事件の背景描写や登場人物の動機が省略されているところがあってストーリーに深みがやや欠けてしまっている気がするんだ。でも初見には十分楽しめるのかもしれない。そこだけ少し惜しいと思ったね。
マオマオの淡々とした性格が逆に引き立っていて彼女が巻き込まれる騒動を見るたびに好奇心が刺激されるよ。2話ではさらに彼女の医術的な知識がクローズアップされて謎解きの幅が広がるのが面白いんだ。サブキャラの立ち位置も個性豊かで画面に映るだけで楽しいから次回も必見だね。物語に潜む政治的要素や宮廷内での人間関係が複雑に絡んでいてただのラブストーリーじゃないところが魅力的だと思うよ。薬の知識を駆使して謎を解く展開は海外ファンにも好評みたいだし2話で見せたマオマオの大胆さにますますハマってしまいそうだ。これは最後まで目が離せないね。2話目での伏線回収が巧みで初回にちらっと登場した要素がどんどんつながっていくのが快感だよ。キャラクター同士の絡みもますます増えてただの推理では終わらないワクワク感があるんだ。セリフ回しや背景美術までクオリティが高く全方位で楽しませてくれる作品だと感じるね。